Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download the cookie run on your PC and how you can play it. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the BlueStack on your PC. So you have to download that from the Google Chrome, and after that you have to install it. So I have already installed that. So I'm going to open this. So let's click on this, and now we have to open the BlueStack. So let's click on this. So as you can see now it's opening. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So we have to wait. So as you can see now it's open. Now what we need to do, we have to make it on full screen. So let's click on this. As you can see now what we need to do, we have to write the game name here. For example, I'm going to write the game name. As you can see, I have written the game name. You have also write the name in the same way. So as you can see, now you will see the suggestions here. I'm going to click on this one. So let's click on it. So as you can see, after clicking on it, what we need to do, we have to click on this button, install an app player. So let's click on this. So as you can see now it's downloading and now it's loading. We have to wait a few seconds until it downloads. This is the size of the game and this is the downloading speed. It will take few seconds or a few minutes in downloading. It's up to your internet speed. And after the completion of downloading, you have to install it. And after the completion of an installation process, you will be able to play the game. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.